We are sitting here with Anthony, who's in an expanded state of consciousness, connecting to the Ascended Masters, or the All That Is, the I Am Consciousness. And we are chatting about the light body and the Merkabah. And my question to you is, tell us about the Merkabah or the light body. Are they one and the same?
We are the Ascended Masters. The light body and the Merkabah body, the auric field body, are one and the same. This here, the perception of the body, is the Merkabah body. It is the energetic body. It is all the same. It is the chariot body, as you call it. Remember, we've told you that you are spirit first, and that this is a perception of being. What you consider to be physical is not. It is truly energetic in nature. This energetic body is the Merkabah. It is the auric field of who you are in this lifetime.
So is the Merkabah, which people often refer to as the chariot, is it, in essence, are auric fields always being available to the all? It's an energy field that is around us, that is always available anytime to all that is?
It's always available to you if you choose. You see, this chariot body can take you anywhere you desire. If you choose to understand that this light body and the auric field that is created from the energy that you are, you can connect to anything that you want in this lifetime. You are always connected to God, to the all, to universal consciousness. Gaia and the heavens are always connected as one. You must understand this. These are the messages that we give to you. We are the Ascended Masters. We are no different than you, but we are the same. We are here to allow you to remember who you are in this lifetime, and so be it. Peace be with you. Shalom Aleichem, we say unto you.